What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one, I'm going to talk about the difference between the TeslaBros Chrome Delete and the NikolaPro Chrome Delete kit. I'm going to try to keep it as uncut as possible, and you guys can hear our live response as we're installing them. Did they install on two of my friends' cars back to back, so it's like a really good day to do comparison video, just because. And if you stick around towards the end of the video, I'll have my opinion on which one you should go for if you're in the market of buying a Chrome Delete kit. So let's stop me talking. Let's hear the live response. Yeah.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna let you open them. It's yours.
Oh wow. Yeah, lots of.
Are they labeled?
Bases. Yep, labeled at the back.
Oh, the back of each one. So I see. It's like P-T3, so on and so forth. Okay.
Yep.
And then what's in the other box?
Got a box. Let's see what's in here.
Oh, it's the heat gun.
Heat gun.
Okay.
And
And then the
bunch of
tools.
squeegees.
Okay. Okay, so the blue one is the NikolaPro one. The pink and orange is the TeslaBros one. So you can see these two are identical. And then the TeslaBros one is slightly smaller. This one's slightly bigger, but the pieces they give you to do the install are identical. Okay, so this is the comparison between both the cards, and you can see the cards look almost identical.
How low it comes, but then it comes. This is where it's supposed to be. Like that's nice up there.
So this one has
Because
the
it's just
Twitter.
supposed to
This
do
one
that
has a
thing.
QR code.
But here I need more.
Right,
I
so-
just don't like the fold.
Yeah.
Do you see how that crease is there? Is that going to go away?
We'll see.
That's my.
So we're here with Moss, and Moss is installing. And it's kind of strange. This one has all the little pieces that have to come off.
Right. So instead of one backing, they've split it up into like 6 of them. My only concern is the creasing that's on the front side. I don't know if you can
You
tell.
can see it right
Can
here.
you?
Yeah. Hopefully it comes off.
Oh, the middle. This middle here, that. I'll tell you right now. If this is because if it's being satin.
It might be the color difference because this is a different.
No, but I can feel it in the vinyl.
You think the vinyl's different as well?
The vinyl is much different.
Yeah. So this is.
I'm struggling with this with my first piece.
And this is a comparison between the TeslaBros one and the NikolaPro one. It has to come off the whole piece.
Whole piece. Look, see how this corner?
Yeah.
I can't get that unless I come up. I'm good here. I'm good here, but for some reason this cut, I mean, I got a little bit here to fold. I don't know. Tell you the truth.
Yeah.
I already don't like the material that he used. I can't see it being just because you bought satin, but the flexibility of that one is more forgiving as this one so far. Now, whether this is just a cut issue or not, but
Well, we can try it again. There's another piece. Maybe this is why they give you 2 sets.
2 sets.
I don't know.
The other thing with the install that we've noticed, so it's good that they gave us 2 pieces, 2 sets. So you're gonna have to take off piece by piece and install it because this material has no real give. So it's made to be like almost exact when you get it on. So you can see here we have the trims, the bottom trims done, and it looks good. It just the material has no give. So you have to make sure you follow the instructions. You can't kind of just take it all off like we started to in the beginning. You have to take it piece by piece and install it that way. For the Chrome Deletes that we've been installing, I've been using this heat gun here. So it has like settings and stuff. So I leave it on 2, which is supposed to be for vinyl. The one that it comes with is substantially hotter. It has an on and off switch. It is really, really warm. And I mean, it seems like it works well, right?
Yep. It does the job. It's just that you have to hover more frequently and don't have to be at a particular spot for too long.
Yeah, you can't stay in one location. You have to go back and forth. Like make it tight, otherwise you will get the lines, and this is the best we can do to take them out. Just the way it's packaged, right? Would you say?
I would think it's the packaging, and because like the wraps comes out in bits and pieces, So those, it gives it like markers. So you give it a little bit of a stretch so that those lines like fade away, and apply the heat gun to it. Should do the trick.
Yeah.
So this was the first piece that we did. So
if you look down here, we managed to get rid of most of them.
Yeah.
So it looks really, really good. You can't even tell that it had lines and stuff like that. But you definitely want to like tighten it up as you're installing to get rid of those lines. Yeah.
Sure.
But overall, to install, this is actually not that bad as long as you're doing it in small pieces. Yeah. Okay, so what's really nice is the pieces are labeled to P for passenger and then D for driver side. And then there are arrows, so it's like front and down. So you kind of can't mess it up when you're installing it, right? The only downside to this system is it is really hard to find the exact piece you need because they're like everywhere and they give you 2 sets.
Yes.
But to install it is a lot easier just because they tell you like front and down. So you kind of can't mess that portion up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Real quick, my opinion on the two. I would personally go with the TeslaBros one. The NikolaPro one is a good product. However, it seems like the pre-creases are really hard to get out. And I don't know if saving half the money just to have creases in your car is worth it. But nonetheless, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll have links to both of their social media profiles in the comments below. Do like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.